Components are the backbone of an environment in Bunnyshell. So let's take a look at the kinds of components that Bunnyshell supports. You can deploy your application using Helm charts or Kubernetes manifests, and you can use the Docker image component to build out the container images which will be referenced in the Kubernetes manifests and Helm charts. You can also use Docker Compose to import a Docker Compose YAML file, which will basically import all the services and volumes which you have defined in that Docker Compose YAML file. You can also add Terraform modules to create outside resources, external resources such as databases, buckets, and other kinds of services which don't run in Kubernetes. And you can use a service to run a Docker image directly in a Kubernetes cluster. If none of the above components satisfy your specific needs, then you can ultimately use the generic component to script your way towards creating those resources. The generic component essentially allows you to run your own SH scripts that basically could produce anything, right? And there is one more thing to mention. We have an integration with the Neon database. Neon is a serverless database for Postgres, and this leverages the generic component I mentioned earlier. So we will take a look deeper in individual videos at each of these components.